My name is attorney Howard Ankin, and I've been practicing workers' compensation on behalf of petitioners for the past 26 plus years. The topic of today's conversation is venue. By case law, venue in the state of Illinois is where the accident occurs. Is there a contract or the last place of contracting for the injured worker, or where the employer is principally venued at? In terms of where the accident occurs, that's the majority of all cases in Illinois find venue by where the injured worker is hurt, if he's hurt in the state of Illinois. Like in anything, there are certain exceptions where the accident happening in the state of Illinois doesn't necessarily make the accident here. One of those notable exception cases is where a truck driver is passing through the state of Illinois and doesn't have any stops or pickups in Illinois and gets injured on the open road. If that truck driver is just driving through the state of Illinois with no other contacts, then there is no venue here. Otherwise, if the accident is in Illinois, there is jurisdiction in Illinois for a workers' compensation claim. The employer and the employee can also negotiate by contract to have the venue be in the state of Illinois. The majority of the time, that may be by a union contract to say that they would like the venue to be here, especially with some of our adjoining states, such as somebody working in Southeast Wisconsin or Northwest Indiana. In terms of contract, the last possible act of contracting, if that takes place in the state of Illinois, then you have jurisdiction here. So someone may come to Illinois to interview for their job and contract for their job here, even though the job may be in another state. If the last principal thing that's done for the contracting of the job is in the state of Illinois, then venue is here. Venue could also be by where the employer is principally located at. So there may be somebody who is working out of state, but they are working for an employer in the state of Illinois. Then they would have venue here. However, as with everything, there's always that exception case. And one of those exception cases is somebody that works in the state of Illinois. Let's say they work in their home office, but there's no other contacts for that employer being here, except somebody, let's say, having their outpost of a sales job in their basement or a second office of their home. If they're hurt here, then since the employer is not principally located here, but located in another venue or another state, there is no jurisdiction for Illinois here. Basically, venue in Illinois, whether the jurisdiction should be in Illinois or not Illinois, is typically straightforward. However, if the accident does not happen here, and you get into issues of last principal action for the contracting, or you get into issues of, is the employer principally located here? That's usually where we would get into litigation between petitioners and respondents over the issues of venue. And the first thing that may need to be done in any case is to fight venue. There are times where there could be concurrent jurisdiction between Illinois and out of state. With those, if you're a petitioner, you need to be careful that you need to do anything in Illinois or in any other jurisdiction in order to give proper notice or in order to give proper filing. Sometimes you may go out of state first and then get additional benefits that you may be entitled to in Illinois, or you could start getting your benefits in Illinois, and if there's additional benefits to get into another venue and that other venue allows it, then you would get benefits in another state. If you're not licensed in another jurisdiction, it may be good to get with another attorney who's well-versed in the issues of venues in their state to know what you need to do on behalf of your client. To learn more about the benefits of joining our ISBA Workers' Compensation Law section, please visit the ISBA website. Or otherwise, please do not hesitate to call me at my office at 312-600-0000, and I'd be happy to give you further information or direction on how to help you on any venue issue that you may have.